forward rates, you need a screen. You can check at a screen. Either you check it at a screen given by Reuters, Bloomberg, or you check with a screen, a little low-cost screen will be by Intercontinental Exchange IPA, and even lower cost will be from some of the advisors because that's an aggregation, but you will get the price. I mean, like you can take when we recommend someone, our customer when to buy or to sell, we give the forward premium along with them and then support with on phone what is the prevailing forward premium. So you should check the forward premium, very important. At times you should leave order on forward premium, not like execute, because easily 1 or 2 paisa trading can be done in forward, especially if you are booking for 6 months or 1 year. But investing.com's forward premium don't use. That is not correct. Their spot is correct, but their forward is not correct because they use overseas forward, NDF market forward, and NDF market forward is not the one which is prevailing in the local market.